Hello my friends, this is my first video on YouTube. Searching for some knives in the internet, I managed to gather some and make a small collection. These are the basic knives from my collection. My first knife has to do with the Gerber company. Here it is. It's an excellent hunting and camping knife. It has a 440 stainless steel blade. It's used mainly for camping, but it's also ideal for for a hunting task. It is used for cutting meal, vegetables. It's very easy to sharp and it's very easy to clean. This is the Gerber company, very good. I think it's very beautiful also. The next knife is a Ka-Bar knife. This is one of my first knives. I bought it and I was enthusiastic when I get it. It is scary sharp. It has very nice teeth. Shaving hair, it's the best choice if you need only one knife with you. You can really make anything you like with this tool. I love the shape of the handle. It's very nice, very practical. Finally, we have the Finland knives. I'm very fan of Finland knives. These are the Wood Jewel knife and the Wood knife. The first one is a Wood Jewel knife. The first one made from carbon steel is ideal for hard use, making serters, cutting wood, chopping activities. It's very nice, very sharp. It's a little bit heavier than normal, but it's quite a good choice. I use it more than anything. And finally, have the best of all, it's a Wood knife. It's made from Harri Marama. It's an excellent knife maker from Finland. This is a really razor sharp knife, lightweight, handmade, 5 inches carbon steel blade. Beautiful, really beautiful. You can make anything you like with this tool without effort. I think it's one of my best knives I have. Please feel free to leave your comments and I'm always open to your opinion. Next we have some cutting tests with each knife. It's the Gerber knife first. Pretty strong. This is my Ka-Bar, one of my favorites. I think it's a little bit better than the previous one. The Wood Jewel knives, one of my best also. Really, you can see the difference. As I said, it's from Finland. And finally, the best of all, sorry I can't let you know how I can feel it in my handle. It's scary sharp. It's like cutting a butter. It's excellent, really excellent. Good job, Harri Marama.